Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at some benchmarks of the PC that I built a little bit less than 2 months ago. I've been using this PC on a brand new Ryzen platform. The Ryzen 3700x is my processor of choice, and honestly speaking, it's been pretty good. I have not missed having an Intel system about a year ago. It's a huge improvement over the 1700X that I was using short term that I wasn't overly happy with, that kind of pushed me to do this upgrade. And so I'm really glad that I made the correct choice and everything worked out, and this one is much faster. So we're going to be getting into some gaming as well as some productivity benchmarks to really see how strong of a system this combination of parts really turned out to be for me. And maybe if you're looking to build a similar system for gaming and content creation, maybe you'll look at something a little bit similar to what I have, or you might know if you need a little bit less or more power. But ultimately, I feel like for the price, around $2,300, this was a pretty good balance of power and performance. Before we continue with the rest of the video, be sure you guys drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Turn on that bell to receive post notifications whenever we post new content like this, because I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss our brand new content that we got coming out very soon. Before we talk about the PC benchmarks, let's talk about today's video sponsor, Lolli. Check out today's sponsor, Lolli, a simple Chrome extension that lets you earn Bitcoin and cash back by shopping on the sites you probably already use. There are hundreds of sites that pay you back, like Walmart, Best Buy, Jet.com, and more. It's super easy and quick to set up. Just go to the Chrome Web Store and install the extension using the link below, and you can even sign in using your Facebook profile. Like I said, it's compatible with a ton of sites and even notifies you so you can effortlessly earn up to 30% Bitcoin back on purchases. Once you have enough Bitcoin, you can choose to transfer it to your preferred Bitcoin account or cash it out to use on even more purchases. If you use our link, you get $10 in Bitcoin when you shop, so click on the link in the description below to start earning. Okay, you guys, so just a quick recap of the PC parts that I do have. I do have the Ryzen 3700x and NVIDIA 2080 Founders Edition, 64 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, a crucial 1TB NVMe SSD, and an Aorus X570 Pro Wi-Fi motherboard. And the case that I'm housing everything in is a Fractal Design Meshify C. If you guys want to purchase any of these parts, be sure to use our links in the description, as it does help the channel out. But let's go ahead and get into the benchmarks. I did some Geekbench tests and Cinebench runs, as well as some Premiere render tests. I rendered out a 1080p 30 video as well as a 4K 30 video. Of course, these are full projects that are done with a ton of color grading and effects and all this stuff, like just a realistic work scenario. I didn't do anything like just footage and just render out the footage, because at the end of the day, most people are going to apply some effects. And I did think that the render times were pretty impressive, granted the quality of the video settings as well as the amount of effects that I put on the videos. As far as the games go, I did not include motion blur or any of that stuff like in a lot of the benchmarks. They were all done on the max settings that any game would allow that I played, but just no motion blur, because yeah, I wouldn't really play with motion blur on unless I'm playing like Tomb Raider or something like that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and turn on that bell for post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Let's go, baby. Got him. Let's go. He's right here. Let's go. Watch out. Yo, it's the Santa Claus from the mountain, remember? You got one?
Yeah.
You want no shield?
Come on, Bloom. 35. There we go.
I just
Find
bone rush.
Holy crap.
That was the team from the mountain, by the way.
Yeah, they're trash.
I'm just base weight 90 on them.
Dude, that ending with this freaking scar, dude, destroyed my accuracy, man. I had 9 kills.